Hello and welcome to the maths class from chapter 2. One important question is prove that under root 2 is a irrational number. Again see what is rational and irrational number. Rational number, the number which can be written in the form of p upon q where q is not equal to 0 is called rational number. The number which cannot written in the form of the p upon q means that number is irrational. The property of rational number is if we divide each other numerator and denominator and convert into unit form, these two numerator and denominator are called co-prime number. First of all, see what is co-prime. Co-prime number. Co-prime number 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5. These all numbers are called co-prime number. The factor are only 1 and itself for numerator and both denominator. Means factor for this 1, 2 and 4. Here factor is 1 and 5. Only one number, only one is the factor for numerator and denominator. That number is called co-prime. See, suppose that 7 and 8, these both are co-prime because 1 and 7. Here 1, 2, 4 and 8. Only one number is factor of these two, numerator and denominator. That number is called co-prime number. Okay, let me start. To prove that under root 2 is a irrational. You will start answer like this. Let we imagine that under root 2 is not irrational and a rational number. Let under root 2 is a rational number. What is the property of rational? Which can be written in the form of p upon q or a upon b. Which can be written in the form of a upon b. Means if we are assuming that under root 2 is a rational, means this is in the form of a upon b where b is not equal to 0. So we will write under root 2 is equal to a upon b. And one thing remember, a and b are co-prime to each other. A and B are co-prime. This line is important to write. Okay, scoring both sides. When you score both sides, under root 2 score is equal to a upon b score. Okay, under root 2 score is equal to 2 and a score upon b score. When you cross multiply, 2b score is equal to a score. See here. When to make the on the place of the division means a is divisible by 2. Here see, a is divisible by a. 2 is the factor of a. Means 2 is always divisible by a. Okay, 2b score is equal to a score. A is 2, a is divisible by 2. Let me assume again a is equal to 2c. One more assume a is equal to 2c. Again scoring both sides. A score is equal to 2c score. Okay, a score is equal to 2c score. Here again a is divisible by b is equal to, we assumed b is equal to 2c, not a. B score and b score, because a we got 2 is the factor of a, now we got 2 is the also factor of b. B score is equal to 2. Here b is also divisible by 2, means 2 is also factor for b. 2 is the factor of b. Okay, means I said earlier that the property of rational number is 1 is the only factor, but here we getting 2 factor for both except than 1, means under root 2 is not a, this hypothesis is wrong. This is a contradict that the hypothesis is wrong. So under root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, see you again.